To connect Redmi Buds 6 into your Android phone, we've got two methods. The first one and the fastest method, you have to just open this charging case. Before you start, just be sure that you remove all of those stickers from your earbuds, so they are actually over this place and this place. Now, when you input both earbuds inside and you open this case, you have to click and hold this button. Let me quickly show you where it's located. Here we can find almost not visible button, so you have to just click and hold it with your finger and wait until this indicator starts blinking quickly, like in this case. Now you will have to release, keep that case open, and you will have to navigate into the settings, go into pair new device, and basically in your Bluetooth device you have to select Redmi Buds 6. Now just wait for this connection, accept pairing, and as you can see we are successfully connected. But also we can go into Google Play Store, and to unlock all features of this device you have to go into Play Store, download Xiaomi Earbuds application, accept this agreement for user, click agree. Here you can select your region and then click next. Here you can click skip and accept allow. And in the most cases we will be automatically connected thanks to the Bluetooth connection. So as you can see, that's how it actually looks. And you are right now fully connected.